I'm going to start by taking off these perimeter leads with wire cutters. Yeah, just kind of pulling off the lead and making sure it's underwater so that all of the lead oxide that's coming out stays wet and doesn't become airborne. There's 2 leads on this side, so it's taking an extra second. This is the first piece. It's the corner piece, and it's got some dried up putty and some lead oxide and some dirt on both sides, so I'm going to remove that with just a razor blade underwater again. Okay, so this piece is clean.
So this is exactly the process that will happen for all the windows at the Christ the King Chapel. This is one section of a very large window, and this might have 150 pieces in it, and each piece is going to be painstakingly cleaned individually like this. And then when we go to put the window back together again, it's essentially making a new window. The glass, the painting, all is retained, and the new window just gets a new life of another century in another building.